mixed peppers, white onion, and red onion right here, okay? Over here we have some vegetables, which we are boiling off, broccoli and string bean, seafood boil, yeah, are good vibes. Just bought a pack of it. Couscous. Put some olive oil in the pot, roughly about a tablespoon of olive oil in the pot. These vegetables in the pot, okay? It's a little bit hot, so I know exactly what I'm doing. That's all of the vegetables. I'm going to put in the seafood boil mix. You might wonder why I'm putting this so early. Yeah, you have to. Okay. I'm gonna put in some garlic. There it is. Paprika. I need more mixed herb, not the Jamaican one, guys. That looking good. Basil. Little bit of thyme. Little bit of season. Little bit of turmeric. And this is just a little bit of a garlic powder. Alright? Yeah. Now, mix up everything together. So you guys can see that looking amazing and fantastic. Now you guys can make this at home if you like to. Yeah. Guys, seafood dish, so you need to put some chips in it. Alright? Yeah, you need to put some of this inside of it. See? About a tablespoon. It's good. So a little bit more. Season to it. That tastes delicious. really good. Do you guys know how to cook at home? I'm here to teach you. Garlic powder, you know. Yeah. Turn off the cooker. Yeah. Turn off the cooker. Perfect. All right, let's one more try. Okay, we're gonna put some couscous inside of it. High measurement with the couscous, guys. We don't want it too dry. I'm gonna put a little bit more. You can buy the couscous, read the package, and learn how to cook it. That's it right there. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we can either clean flame it, or just put a lid over it and allow it to steam. So what you're gonna need to do now is take this off the heat. All right, you have to take it off of the heat and leave it for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna check back on it. The book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available for every one of you guys. Okay, so grab yourself a copy of this brand new book, and yeah, man, and support the progress. We just have to leave it for now and make it go on steam. Okay, some people use clean flame. I don't. Sometimes I don't. I just cover it and leave it. You can do, lift it up and have a look. Okay, so you can see it's not too dry and it's not too wet. Okay, so that's all I like it. I don't like it when it's too we call it dry. All right, that's how couscous is supposed to be, but I like it a little bit soggy like this and a little bit moisture. Okay, so we give it a few more minutes and then we serve it up. It doesn't take long. Serve it up. Okay, it's ready to serve up. This is the broccoli and string bean. That's it. Okay, I tried to make more vegetables more than anything else. Okay, then what we're gonna do is all right, just simple, put it like this. All right, hope you guys can see what I've been doing. It's not too complicated, honestly. You might have said, then you don't do it with gravy. You can make a nice sauce if you like to, and if you have the time, but there's no need. Okay? Yeah, there's no need, guys. There's no need to put any gravy. Yeah. So, yeah, you can just simple serve it with a slice of lemon. All right, that's it. Hopefully you guys will like the recipe, enjoy it, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Okay, and remember to get yourself a copy of my book, all right, on Amazon, 50% off right there. Okay, here it is. Just serve it just like this and you'll be okay. 100% effective. Look at that. Amazing. And that's the book. Beautiful, simple meal you guys can have at home.